classification of triangles based on sides. So who wants to answer this question? Azan beta, सो जाओ आराम से. सो जाओ बेटा, सो जाओ, पिल्लो ले लो, आराम से सो जाओ बेटा. Yeah, who wants to answer this? Ma'am, today who is absent? Warrior is absent. Ray is absent. Reva is absent. Mickey Mouse is absent. Human, Annie, Kitu, Tanim, Major, rest all are present. Has Prime Veda joined? No. Okay. So who wants to? Yes, Tani Vani, you want to answer this?
Sir, one is the equilateral triangle. The second is
Beta, why based on sides? So explain me equilateral triangle also, no?
equilateral triangle is when all the sides of the triangle is equal.
Okay, then you know only
Excuse
one.
me, sir.
Yes, you are excused.
So can you show the upper like eight-sided polygons? I did not write 2, 3 of them.
Beta will share in the group, you know. Don't
Okay,
worry.
Sir, you've already shared.
Sir, you've already shared.
See how good am I? I have already shared. Next, who wants to answer? Classification of triangles based on sides. Who wants to answer? One equilateral triangle I have got. Major, yes, you raise your hand.
Sir, isosceles triangle. Sir, there are 2 equal sides and 1 different side.
Okay. बेटा आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल का मीनिंग होता है टू इक्वल साइड्स. ओके, ये मीनिंग नहीं होता वन डिफरेंट साइड. देयर इज अ डिफरेंस. सो all right, all equilateral triangles are also isosceles. So you cannot say one different side, you will say two equal sides. So next, who's next? Anyone else wants to answer? Anyone else wants to answer, guys? Next type, equilateral ice triangle. We have got two. So then the third type of triangle is scale triangle. So scalene triangle. So what happens in scalene triangle? All sides and angles are different. All sides and angles are different, and there is no line of symmetry. There is no line of symmetry. That's a scalene triangle. Isosceles triangle, two sides and base angles. These are called the base angles. They are of equal length. Please write it down, guys. And one line of symmetry is there that I have drawn with my magical powers. Can you see that, guys? So everyone note it down. Third one is equilateral triangle. All sides and all angles are equal to 60 degree. It has got three lines of symmetry. Not one, not two, but three. Veda, beta, why are you late? Please explain me. Please unmute and explain. Yes, beta. What is the reason? Yeah. Unmute, beta, unmute. We are listening. Radhu, please remove your headrest, beta. Yeah?
Sir, which head?
I'm saying, Veda, why are you late? Yes, guys, tell me. Time Veda, why are we late? Veda, but I am asking you, why are we late?
Nothing.
Nothing क्या हो बेटा? Nothing क्या होता है? बेटा, don't be late from next time. चलो guys, have we written?
No. No. Yes, sir.
So next is classification of triangles based on angles. Who wants to answer this? Yo man, your chance.
Sir, I don't know about it.
So then keep on unmute. So then next chance goes to Prime Veda.
Sir, I don't know.
Don't know. Next chance goes to Major General.
Sir, equilateral triangle.
Beta, that was based on sides. स्केलीन आइसोसेलेस इक्विलेटरल मतलब साइड्स के हिसाब से है. एक भी साइड इक्वल नहीं है, दो साइड्स इक्वल है, थ्री साइड्स इक्वल है. नाउ आई एम आस्किंग क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ ट्राइंगल्स बेस्ड ऑन एंगल्स. Yes, any you want to say something?
No, sir.
And then Miss Tani Bani.
Sir, they are right triangles, obtuse triangles, acute triangles, and there is
Tani Bani triangle, because all are over now. So we have acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, and obtuse angle triangle. You missed obtuse, I think. So acute, all angles are acute. Obtuse, so in obtuse angle, one angle is obtuse and the rest are acute. Only one is obtuse and the rest are acute. And in right, only one is right and the rest are acute. So only why only one triangle is, right and one triangle is obtuse? Can anyone tell me the reason? So we have Tani Bani here and we have Goddess here. Yes, Goddess.
Sir, because if there would be two right angles, it would form a rectangle or a square.
Not the exact answer I'm looking for. Anyone else? It's not wrong, but I'm looking for an additional answer. Anyone else? No one else? So guys, because the sum of all angles of a triangle is what? 180. So sum of all angles of a triangle is 180. Next class, if anyone joins more than 2 minutes late, he or she will keep unmute for the whole session. Do we have a deal, everyone? That will be fun for me. Do we have a deal?
sir. You should send a poll question for that.
No, beta, no. This is not a matter of discussion. This is a direct consequences of your actions. So you must have heard every action has an equal and opposite reaction. So you are doing the action by joining late. I am giving you the reaction. All right. So hope the reaction will be more fun. Veda ji. Next. So everyone note down this line. The sum of all angles in a triangle is 180 degree. Everyone noted? Everyone understood? मुझे समझाना है इसमें गाइस कि तीनों एंगल्स का सम 180 होता है. कुछ बताना है और कि we have understood.
Understood, sir.
Understood. So solve the next question that is on the screen. With my magical powers invested in me,
Sir, the
this one,
box on the right, left. Okay.
this one. Let's see how many of you understood on. Guys, there are two questions. Find the third angle and the type of triangle also. So Azu bhai, you man Veda, you gave one answer, beta. Marks भी आधे मिलेंगे. प्राइम वेदा इस बार तो आपका चेक पॉइंट है. Prime, how many marks Tanish scored in his checkpoint?
Sir, 44 out of 50.
And how many Samay scored?
Sir, I don't know.
How many he scored in science and English?
Sir, in English, I think he scored 32, and I don't know about science.
Agni Astra, Princess Annie.
We're typing the answers.
Princes of Punjab.
Sir, the voice was again and again cracking, so I didn't understand.
Okay. So kids, look here. So, beta, if two angles are 40 and 50, total is 180. Can you tell me what will be the third angle? So only Kitu, Agni Astra and Princess can speak.
100.
Beta,
Then
what is 50?
90, the
What is
90
50?
degrees.
50 plus 40 is 90, beta.
Sorry, sir.
180 minus 90 is 90. So the third angle is 90 degree. And which type of triangle is this? Which type of triangle is this? Tell me. बताओ भाई.
Sir, right
Sir,
angle.
up to
बेटा why obtuse? अगर एक right angle हो गया, one angle is right and the
Oh,
other are
yes,
wrong.
sir.
Please read. It is a right angle triangle. And beta, if you want to know additional, it is a scalene triangle also. Why? Because all sides are different. Because all angles are different, so all sides are different. Okay. But major correct answer is right angle triangle. Scalene is that you will understand in higher, very high. Rates. But you can understand now also. Next question with my magical powers is on the screen.
Excuse me, sir. I couldn't understand the classification of triangle based on sides.
बेटा सी based on sides, तीनों sides different scalene, two sides same isosceles, all sides same equilateral. अब equilateral में एक additional चीज होगी, all angles will be 60 degree. So this is based on sides. समझ आ गया?
Yes, sir.
All different, two same, all same. Now you must remember the lines of symmetry भी. इसमें होगी 0 lines of symmetry, इसमें 1, इसमें 3. Now based on angles, we have acute angle, all angles acute, angles acute. Then right,
So
one
what
angle
does
right.
that mean?
All angles acute means beta all angles are less than 90.
Okay, sir.
Right angle triangle means one angle right. Very good. अगर ने आप पूछोगे, I like kids who ask doubts from me. Right angle triangle, one angle right. Obtuse angle triangle, one angle obtuse. Understood, Aganya?
Yes,
So
sir.
based on angles, acute, right, obtuse. Based on sides, scalene, isosceles, equilateral.
Okay, sir.
So guys, please मुझसे पूछ लिया करो. Sometimes I take your intelligence for granted कि आपको समझ आ ही जाएगा, because you guys are so pretty, so you will understand. But please, you feel more than welcome to ask me anytime. Right, Aganya?
Yes, sir.
Tani Bani, that's bad.
Sir.
Kitu, what is happening? Send it again, Tani Bani, Kitu Major. Send it again, please.
Sir, I can't understand it if the answer that I send is not the right answer.
Can you send me Tani Bani? Please send me. Beta, remember sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Two angles are 20 and 60. Third kitna hoga? It's pretty obvious and simple.
हाँ भाभी इसका पानी भर देती हूँ हाँ टिफिन डाल के पानी भर देती
मेजर जनरल बेटा रिफ्लेक्स एंगल ट्राइंगल में हो ही नहीं सकता. पता है कैसे? जैसे ये आपका ट्राइंगल है, ये रिफ्लेक्स एंगल है. रिफ्लेक्स एंगल इज लाइक दिस. तो ट्राइंगल ऐसे कैसे, मतलब ये तो ट्राइंगल ही बनेगा, ये तो फोर साइड्स हो जाएंगी. अंडरस्टूड? इफ आई मेक अ फिगर लाइक दिस, इट विल हैव फोर साइड्स बिकॉज अंदर है रिफ्लेक्स एंगल. नीचे से तो ऑब्ट्यूस है, नीचे से ट्राइंगल बन सकता है पर ऊपर से तो बन ही नहीं सकता. सो देयर इज नो रिफ्लेक्स्ड एंगल ट्राइंगल. ओके,
Sir, in obtuse there is one obtuse angle and two
acute
acute
angles.
angles, right?
Yes, yes.
Sir, I sent you.
So yes, Tani Bani beta, you tell me what will be the third angle, Tani Bani.
Sir, it will be 80 degrees.
Princess, what will be the third angle?
Sir, see, I also wrote 80 degrees.
Abhita, what will be the third angle? Guys, 120 है और अदर 60 है, तो टोटल हो जाएगा 80. So third angle will be, third angle 180 minus 80, which is equal to 100. क्या
Sir,
प्रॉब्लम?
180 minus 80 क्यों?
क्योंकि बेटा तीनों का सम 180 होता है.
Sir, I
Last question.
sent dragon mom obtuse angle.
So it is 100 degrees and obtuse. क्या आपने 100 डिग्री और obtuse भेजा था? It is an obtuse angle triangle and 100 degrees is the measure.
Sir, I stated
Didn't understand?
those.
First of all, beta, one by one. Two angles are, total is 80. What will be the third angle? Total of two angles is 80. What will be the third angle, princess?
Right.
You don't know. बेटा तीनों एंगल्स का टोटल 180 होता है. I should write sum of two angles is 80.
Yes, sir.
Total is 180. What will be the third angle?
Oh, sir, understood. 180 minus 8 is 100.
Third angle will be 100 degree.
100
Which
degrees.
type of triangle is this?
Sir, obtuse.
Obtuse angle triangle is this.
Yes.
So I will give you one additional question. Then I gave in the other batch. First.
Sir, I was writing the right angle down. Can you just show it for a minute?
But I will show it first. Do this question and I'll show it.
Okay, sir. Thanks.
Any princess?
Sir, sending.
All right. So K2 unmute. So everyone got the measure of the angle correct. So it is sum of two angles is how much? Sum of two angles
120.
is 120 degrees. So third angle will be
60 degrees.
180 minus 120, which is 60 degree. Now, because the angles of the triangle are 110, 10 and 60, these two are acute, but this one is obtuse. So it will be obtuse angle triangle.
Sir, I sent that only to
Sir, I sent that.
Sir, I sent that only.
Sir, ma'am, cross. Sir,
So
I
it
sent
is obtuse angle triangle and it is also a scalene triangle.
Sir, I didn't understand how it is an obtuse angle.
Obtuse beta because one angle is obtuse.
Because it is bigger, that's why.
तो देखो ये ऑब्ट्यूज है, ये 110 है, then one angle is
Okay,
probably
sir. Okay, sir.
60, one is 10. वैसे इतना इसमें like dimensions मैंने लिए हैं, it is going to be more. Wait, 60 कहाँ से आएगा? This will be is going to be 110, which is going to be here. 10 is probably going to be like this. तो ये 10 होगा, ये 110 होगा, ये approximate 60 होगा. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you show the right angle now?
Right angle I am showing. But everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
तो प्रिंसेस अजू भाई आपने क्या भेजा?
Yes, sir. Sir,
आपने क्या भेजा?
I also sent a cute angle.
नो बेटा, इसमें एक एंगल ऑब्ट्यूज हो गया ना,
Yes,
पहले
sir.
से ही दिया हुआ था.
Yes, sir.
So it is going to be obtuse angle.
Yes.
All right, Aganya, please note it down. Guys, I will give a 4 minutes break. Those who want to note it down can complete the note. So guys, next concept we'll do is of a circle. So we know that there are infinite radii, infinite diameters. Diameter, passes through the center and touches 2 points of the circle. And we know that diameter is twice of radius. So these all in red are what? Diameters. We know that. So then we know that there can be, every circle has a center, infinite number of radii and diameters. Diameter is twice of radius. And then we have a new concept this year, which is of a chord. Chord means any line that touches 2 points of the circle, but not necessarily passes through the center.
Sir, we did it last year.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And diameter is also a chord. In fact, it is the longest chord of the circle. Then the perimeter of a circle is called the circumference. Perimeter of a circle is called what? The circumference. So these are blue lines, all are chords. All right.
Yes, sir.
So next is parallel lines, lines that never meet and their distance remains same. Next is perpendicular lines, two lines that intersect at 90 degrees are perpendicular lines. So are these two lines perpendicular? Send your answers in the chat quickly. Are these two lines perpendicular? Yes or no? The sleeping human, it's a simple question.
Sir, I sent.
Okay. So guys, any lines that make an L are perpendicular to each other. So they are making an L. So they are
Yes, sir. I
perpendicular.
realize.
So Major General, did you realize? Major General. Yes, and you can tilt your head like this, like Major General is doing, and you can find out that these two lines are in fact perpendicular to each other. So next we are going to do what?
Sir, we are in grade 5.
Grade 5. Okay, let's do the first two question. So we did the definition of polygons. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Uh,
So what is a polygon, you man?
Sir, it's a shape which is made of only straight lines.
But I gave 3 points. Straight line is just 1 point.
Sir, I don't know the rest.
Sir, they are always closed figures.
So second point, closed shape made up of straight lines only. Third,
So they are 2D shape.
they are 2D shapes. So closed 2D shape that is made up of straight lines only is a polygon.
Ma'am, the first one was a typing mistake. Can I send again?
Ved Guru,
The second one I sent the wrong option by mistake. So
Prime Veda, where is my answer? Beta, don't sleep in the
I
class.
sent already. Sir, it's been 5 minutes since I've sent.
Oh my God. So let's see. First question, Aganya, you got it wrong. Why?
Sir, I sent it again. It was a mistake, and it was the second
Okay,
time ma'am
listen
sent
here,
it
listen
was
here. Still, I will explain. This angle starts from here. First acute, 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 then right. After right, it becomes obtuse. Do you understand, Aganya?
yes, sir.
Then it is how many shapes have parallel lines. So we got Veda, Major, Goddess, Asubhai, Princess. So we have one shape with parallel lines, two shapes with parallel lines, and three shapes with parallel lines. So any, yes,
I sent the wrong option by mistake. So then I sent again, which was B only.
okay, beta, okay.
Sir, the pentagon also has a
Beta,
parallel.
annotate and show me, beta, which two lines are parallel. You mean to say this one?
Sir, this.
This one?
Yes, sir.
This one. These are parallel. Very good. These are a railway track. Very good.
Sir, but if we
Indian
do it
Indian
upside,
Railways is, glad that you are not making tracks for the train. Because otherwise, the tracks would have crossed like this. Very good. Very good. But it has to, the distance between them, parallel lines की definition क्या होती है? Distance between the lines should remain same. आपके according इनका distance same है. ट्रेन तो बेटा ऐसी बन जाएगी. मैजिकल ट्रेन है क्या? कोई आगे जाके बिल्कुल पतली हो जाएगी. तो फिर definition ही है, distance between the parallel lines should remain same. Do the third and fifth. Annie and Azu bhai.
Sir, I have sent.
Ma'am, I did a typing mistake. I'm sending again.
All right, let's see.
Sir, I've sent.
So guys, Kitu, please unmute. Aganya, please unmute. Beta, what did you send as the answer?
Sir, 0.
Beta, 0 matlab 12 o'clock. Make a straight angle.
No, sir. For the first one, I sent 12.
Beta, it should be 6 o'clock. This is 12. This is 6. Isn't it?
Sir, I misread the question.
K2,
Yes, sir.
Beta, do I have to teach you guys how to see a watch?
No,
Seriously?
sir. No, sir. No, sir.
So then less than a right angle, guys. There, this is almost a right angle. I know thoda sa 1 degree kam hoga, but this is almost a right angle. So there are 0 angles which are less than right angle. So Ved Guru understood and Major understood. And we count the angles that are inside. This is obtuse and this is almost right. This is reflex. This is reflex. This is right. This is obtuse. Obtuse. Right. Reflex. Reflex. Right and obtuse. Understood or no, guys?
Understood, sir.
Understood. Let's
Yes.
see. Next question is this one. How many pairs of intersecting lines are there? Yo man, what's the hurry?
Sir, not the hurry. The answer was obvious.
That's great. All right, Miss Annie, send your answer.
Sir, I've sent.
All right. So first of all, I got one pair. Then I got second pair. Then I got third pair. Then I got fourth pair in green. So first pair is pretty obvious. Second pair, the horizontal line. Second pair this and third pair this. So with the horizontal line. Fourth pair with the two lines. Understood? Not understood?
Understood, sir. I meant to send B, but I sent C.
So Yoman, Veda,
Sir,
understood or not?
sir, can you show the fourth pair again?
I will show beta. See beta. Second pair होगा horizontal line with this line. ठीक है?
Yes.
Third pair होगा horizontal line with this line. Correct?
Yes.
Fourth pair होगा this red line.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay. So Yoman, Kitu, Tani Bani, Major, Veda.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Yoman, have you understood the obvious
Yes, sir.
answer or not?
Yes, sir.
So do you want to lose marks in the obvious answer?
No, sir.
Do the seventh and eighth question.
Sorry, sir. I only sent the answer for the 8th question.
Major General, you are not paying attention. This was not a tough question, Major General. Tani Bani.
Sir, I sent already.
Okay. So Prince, Major, what is my first answer?
Sir, D.
Okay, it is D. Then
Sir, it has two. One is of L and one is of I.
and one is of G, isn't it?
Sir, but in the C, there's a little point there where it can be parallel.
Beta C.
Not this one, sir. The
This
middle.
one.
Yes.
Sir, this is curved line ना ये curved है इसको हम straight line बोल ही नहीं सकते पूरा curve है
Okay.
Okay, so Tani Bani Major understood.
Yes,
So the
sir.
answer will be L, G and I. All right, understood, not understood.
Understood, sir.
Next, ninth and 10th. Annie and Princess of Punjab.
Ma'am, I accidentally sent that answer.
So see, what do we don't have? Princess.
Sir, the first one is D and the second one is also D.
No, beta, second one is not D. You look here. If you
Sorry,
guys
C. Sir, C.
C is also wrong. You see, beta, ये straight line से थोड़ा सा कम होगा. So because this is less than straight line, then the angle from the top will be reflex because the top one will be more than a straight line. अगर मैं ऐसे straight line करूं तो the top one will be more. So this is reflex. And
Sir,
bottom one
I
will
said
be what?
C only.
बेटा ऊपर से reflex है, नीचे से obtuse है. They ask for the smaller angle.
Okay, sir, understood.
Major understood?
Yes, sir.
So guys, do the 11th and 12th. Yo man, what happened this time?
Sir, I sent the answer. It should be right. I don't know what I did wrong.
Did you read the question properly?
Yes.
What is it? Read it again. So Princess, what is my answer?
Sir, it is B and B.
So they are saying drew an angle that was half the measure of the angle, half the measure. So this is 150.
Sir,
So 150 divided by 2 is 75. 75 is acute. Understood, not understood? Yoman, Tani Bani, Agni, Astra, and Asu bhai.
sir, I by
Understood, sir.
chance mistyped.
Understood.
And 325 will be like this. Because here it's 5, here it's 3. So 325 will be this angle, which is also acute. So major Azu bhai.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So for the 11th question, can we not measure the angle and just estimate?
Yes, you can do that. But beta, its readings are given 140, 150. Though you can estimate also, but just I am telling you.
Okay.
So major Azu bhai, what happened guys? ये क्यों गलत हुआ 12th?
Sir, I thought it was reflex only.
बेटा why? पीछे से रिफ्लेक्स होगा, यहाँ से रिफ्लेक्स है. But between जो smaller angle है, they have asked the smaller angle. It is acute. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So all right guys, that's all for today. Bye bye. Enjoy your
Bye,
week.
sir.
Bye. Yeah.
Bye, sir.